This is very interesting. An Oklahoma school district is hoping to prevent vaping in the bathrooms by installing new sensors. These smart sensors are able to tell the difference between vapor with nicotine, even vapor with THC. News 9's Clayton Cummins has the story, all new at 5.
The project at Thomas Fay Custer schools is still in the experimental stage. Not only can these sensors detect vaping, they can also sense pneumonia, even noise as well. They're hard to see stepping into the junior or senior high school bathrooms, but this tiny sensor is making a huge impact.
We needed to take a stance, kind of like we do with tobacco.
The Halo Smart sensor can detect anything from vaping, air quality, chemicals, even sound in the instance an altercation is taking place in the bathroom administrators can't see. The Thomas Fay Custer School District believes they're the first in the state with them.
Student safety is super important to us, and our board felt like that this was something that we could show the community also that we are being proactive.
The sensors have been installed for about a week now. When one is triggered, administration receives a text and email immediately.
There's a lot of information in the news right now about the harmful effects of it. There have been cases of deaths. I think we need to, to guide our children, being a administrator, being a father, to, you need to make better choices for your health.
Settings continue to be fine-tuned. The district encourages others to check it out.
Anything you can do to make your school safer and prevent any harmful activities to kids, yes, I would recommend that.
The district says they paid about $1,000 per sensor. If all goes well, they'll be adding them into the elementary school bathrooms as well. Reporting in Thomas, Clayton Cummins, Oklahoma's own News 9.